Christmas tree. Oh, it should be lit up. We need to light it up. Oh, we should light it up. I don't know how. All right. Well, that was very surprising. There, that's better. What is it? Wow. That's yours. You found your ornament. That's yours. You found it. That's Fiona's. That's Fiona's ornament. What is that, a star? You like it? That's yours. But now it stays there. You just look. It has to stay on the tree. Mm-hmm. That's Fiona's ornament. That's right. It's a train.